Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Wanted to take a few minutes to talk directly to you, not here on the workbench listening to me, but to talk directly to you. Just a few things concerning the channel, the direction it's going. I got some new models. That's my favorite part, and just talk about just some things in general. I know I get so many comments from you guys in the comment section when I release a video. They go all different directions. Some are, for the most part, the majority are very positive. Even if you guys think I haven't done a good job, you're probably going to tell me that I did. I appreciate that. And likewise, over at the Facebook channel, we've got guys on there that aren't experts by any means. I'm not an expert. We have guys on there that are very basic, but we try our best at the Facebook group to encourage these guys. Encourage, because it's what it's all about. It's fun. There's no like right or wrong book. I've never read a book on how to properly build a model car. And if you've got that book, send me the link, because I need to read it, because I don't know how. And I don't think any of us really know how the right way is, because I don't think there is a right way. I think the right way is your way. So yeah, I get all kind of comments. Most of them are good. I would say number one critical comment is, why don't you use a coil wire? And I've said this many times already on my videos. I don't want to put a coil wire on it. That's why. That's an extra wire I've got to try to stick down into that little hole I drill in my distributor. I don't want to put one on there. If I wanted to put a coil wire, I'd put it. So that's one of them. This last the 66 Oldsmobile 442. Someone commented, nice video, but the back wheels are too far forward. And I didn't, guys, for those negative comments, it's kind of funny, because it's like, I put the little parts that hold the axle where they're supposed to be. And if it ended up being too far forward, take it up with AMT, because I did notice that the wheels did seem to sit too far forward, but it's like, this is the pin that they're supposed to, and until you attach the body, but you get all kind of guys. But one of them that just went over the top, and this isn't the first time, it's been again, and I just removed the person from the channel. At least I hid their comments. They're like, your fingernails are disgusting. Because see, I bite my fingernails. It's a terrible, disgusting habit. And yes, I know the comment, they told me that it was such a disgusting habit. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry that I bite my fingernails and that it offends you so bad. But anyway, it's fun to go through the comments, because you're going to get that one wise guy that's an expert at everything, and he's going to tell you, or he or she, or whatever. It's because there are women on these that look at our videos, and it's disgusting. Don't watch. Please do me a favor. Unsubscribe from my channel if you think my fingernails are too disgusting. I don't have Matthew's fingernail videos. It's the model car videos, okay? So please do me a favor and unsubscribe if you think my fingernails are so disgusting that you don't want to watch it, because apparently you do want to watch it, because you look at my fingernails. So anyway, enough said with that. I've tried to here recently kind of mix up what I've been doing on the channel. You can get burnt out doing the same old, but trying to come up with new content and not try to be like everyone else, it's very much of a challenge to me, with a very limited time schedule that I can do this. I'm a full-time job. I have a family, a lot of things going on. Every Saturday here for the last couple months, I've been helping my nephew rebuild his truck engine. And one quick thing on that in passing, it's a 351 Windsor, and it's awesome. We've put a lot of stuff on that thing, and I posted a picture on my Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook group. I posted a picture one day of that engine, because I was so proud of it, just the engine sitting on an engine stand. And man, immediately someone commented, I thought this was about model cars. I didn't know this was about real stuff, I thought, guys, please give me a stinking break. If you're so offended that someone puts a picture of a real 1-to-1 engine, unlike my Facebook group too. And I'm not being ugly, guys. Really, I'm not. I'm just saying some people are very much to the extreme. Maybe ridiculous would be a better word to describe that. But it's like then all the guys on the Facebook group that agree were like, man, tell that guy to go, whatever, blah blah blah. But anyway, back to what I was saying earlier. I'm so bad about getting off. I need like a script in front of me so I can just read it. Because if I don't I'm just here and there and everywhere. Trying to get new content. I released a video recently about how I bid on or how I try to buy kits on eBay. And I do pretty good because I'm steady having them come in. Sometimes I can sneak it into my shop before my wife sees it, but I think she's pretty convinced about what the boxes are. She knows what it is. But anyway, how I do that on eBay, and I like to show off the kits. Done a few little history lessons. Not that they're, totally 1000% accurate. I can make mistakes. I'm digging the information from the internet, and who knows if the internet's even true. So I'm just trying to get new content. If you guys have any ideas of something you would like me to cover pertaining to model cars, I'd be up for it. If you have an idea of some sort of new content that I could create to do that outside of building the model kits, I don't want to quit doing that. So just in the comment section, just if you have an idea that I haven't covered, I'm not covered too many. So if you have an idea that would be interesting, send me a comment. Or if you're on the Facebook group, you can private message me or whatever. You don't have to private message me. You can just send me a message. But I would like to continue to create content that's model car centered, but yet maybe not always pertaining to building the kits. Again, although I'm not going to stop building them. I like to fill in that dead space. I don't want to, if a kit takes me 2 weeks to build, I don't want to have one video in 2 weeks. Most of them are broke down in 2 parts because I talk so much. That's another thing. Someone in the comments, I don't remember if it was this kit, the 66 442 or whichever, really doesn't matter. I like your videos. This quote, I like your videos, but you talk too much. So I mean, if I talk too much, just fast forward the thing. All you want to see is the finished car anyway, more than likely. You don't have to listen to me. Put it on mute. Play some music in the background, whatever. People are so peculiar sometimes. Just peculiar. All right. Enough said about that. Oh. So here are my latest additions for this week. What's today? May the 16th is actually the day I'm filming this. So the week up to May the 16th. This is a Sunday I'm filming this. I got this 69 Shelby Mustang 2-in-1. I've already built this thing before. Matter of fact, it's right here. I don't think you can see it, but it's right there. But I got another one because if I build one, I want to replace it. I don't want to just have an empty box or the kit on the shelf. I like to have these things in the boxes. So this is a pretty cool kit. It's one of the most gaudy Mustangs you could. The way they have these ugly flames on it and the 2.4 sticking out, it just doesn't really fit the look of the car. But anyway, I built mine. It was stock, the one up there, and more than likely, if I built another one, which I won't build unless I get another one, I won't build it because I like to keep it on the shelf. But anyway, it's a pretty cool kit, and it's a nice kit. So if you ever run across this one, since I have already built it, you should get it because it's a very nice kit to build, and it's got a big block Ford in it. So check that out. This is classic 32 Ford Coupe. I did the AMT 32 Ford history lesson, and this was one that in passing, it was one of the kits that I mentioned. This was a newer one. I don't know what the date is on this one. I haven't even looked. 2005. So this was still Ertl AMT in 2005. And this is a really cool kit. And I love 32s, 34s, whatever. They're nice cars. But I might build this one. It's to the point, if it's like a 2003, 2002, whatever, the 66 442 was like a 2004, I think. I'll probably build it because there's probably enough of these in circulation still that I could come up with another one. So anyway, that's going to be a cool car, AMT 32 Ford Coupe. And 57 Ford hardtop. This is nice. I've actually got a 57. You can't see it, but up on my shelf here, 57 Ford Fairlane 500, one that my dad had. When my dad passed away, he had probably, I don't know, 10 or 12 kits that he had. It's funny. He had them wrapped in cellophane, so he had them all stacked up, and he had cellophane wrapped all around them because he was going to give them to me one day, and I did end up with them. But anyway, interestingly enough, Michael Hentz? Is that who? I can't remember if it was you or not. But anyway, this checkerboard pattern was a Walmart deal. I asked that question, I think, on the last build. But yeah, this checkerboard pattern was I think for Walmart. Because remember when Walmart had kits, it was almost like going in the Hobby Lobby. They had kits at Walmart. But yeah, 57 Ford hardtop. I might build this one too. It's 2002. It's right on the threshold of not getting built. But anyway, it's a cool car, and it's just like the AMT 57 Fairlane 500. I don't know what's the difference. This doesn't say Fairlane 500 anywhere on it, but I think it's the same kit, just a new release. So that's pretty cool. And then the Dan Fink Metalworks, Speedwagon. I got this. Mentioned this one also on the Revell 32 history lesson. This was in there. I forget what year did they release this one. Revell did 2015. But this was also like an older kit. This is a re-release of an older kit that Revell had. And they didn't call it the Dan Fink Metalworks Speedwagon at that point, I don't think. But anyway, this one's pretty cool. It's got like a small block fuel injected Ford here. So obviously the woody and it's chopped and everything. This one didn't have the plastic, but it's all in there. I opened it up and it's got all the, it's brand new. It's just got the plastic removed. So that's going to be a pretty cool kit. I'll probably build this one. And then lastly here is the 23T delivery van. I'm going to build this one. I mean, surely it's a quick build because the part count is so small. But what's cool is just the last unboxing or showing you the kits that I'd ordered. I got this one. It's the same kit, although the box is much heavier. Maybe the difference in the box. Same kit here, but this one is I think it was 1978. I don't think it's on the box, but I looked it up. I believe it was 1978, and then this is the new release kit within, I don't know, the last 5 years or so. There's no date on this one either, but this is a round 2 release. So it's pretty cool that you can, I do see differences. Like you see, this is like wood grain. You may not can see it. There's wood grain around the front windshield. On this one, there's not. But it's the same model kit. But it's cool. I like this. I'm not going to build this, and this one probably will be with me till I die, or till my wife makes me get rid of some. Which I don't think she would make me get rid of my model kit. She knows I love them. And I'm going to build this one. That'll be fun. So those are the ones that I've bought this week, and more than likely I'll have some coming in next week too. And some of you guys have asked a lot about how do I build my display cases, and I've not done a video on that yet, and I need to. I've actually got the wood to build another one. I just don't have anywhere to put it. There's 2 behind the camera. Has motorcycles and my tank and some tractor, and there's another one. There's 2 there. There's one here that he can hold a lot more, and then these 2, which are pretty well full. So maybe I do need to build another one. I just don't have anywhere to put it right now. And someone else also asked if maybe I could just do a video on each car that I've built, or the ones that are in my display cases here. I might do that. And also I've got a box down here that's, I have some of my old stuff when I was a kid that didn't get burned up. I don't know how I ended up with that stuff, because when I moved out of my parents' house or my dad's house, I left everything in my room, because I'm a grown up then at that point. So I left like the toys and everything, and my model cars were on the shelf. And then the house burns down and burned all that up. But somehow I ended up bringing some of the stuff with me. I'm not sure why, but anyway, nevertheless, that has nothing to do with this video. But there is a box here, and I might go through some of that stuff one day and just kind of like, oh, look at this. Boy, that looks terrible. I'm glad I got better at that. Things like that. But guys, again, if you have any ideas, something that you would like for me to try to cover or do, or a particular build, hey, that would be awesome. Just don't make it one of my particularly old ones. But if you have a particular car that you'd like to see me build, something like maybe old muscle car, old timey car. I really don't get into the new stuff too much. I'm not really big on building NASCAR kits either. I don't know. Some of you guys love those NASCAR kits. I'm just not I like NASCAR and NASCAR kits. I'd just rather put them on the shelf than put them in the display case. But if you have a particular car you'd like to see me build, I'd love to do that. That would be great. And I guess that's about all I have to say. But again, guys, thanks for watching. If you hadn't already subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you go over there and hit the button. Ring the little bell, so if I have a new video, you'd be alerted that it came out. And if you comment on this video, let me know something. One other thing, sorry, there I go, rabbit, squirrel, something, wild animal I'm going after right now. I thought about, and this would be cool. It may be cool, it may not be cool to you. I'd like to do like a Zoom. And I don't know anything about Zoom. I don't think I even have Zoom. I don't even know what Zoom is, except I see people use Zoom. And they'll have like one guy here and one guy here and one, like you can have like 10 people. But I'd like to get some of you guys, maybe Chris Callen, Troy Roberts, maybe some of you guys that I know. And let's have a Zoom, like a live Zoom talk. Let's talk about model cars. I know Troy Roberts, friend of mine, he likes to build armor. I'm not so big on that, but he might have a lot to say about it. But he's also been building some cars. And then my friend Chris Callen builds model kits, and as an artist, he paints portraits of cars. So cool. It's so cool. I always link his website in my description of the videos, Chris Callen Auto Art. Go up there and check that out. It's awesome. But maybe one day we'll get together and just have a Zoom meeting. And I don't know if we'd do it live or if we would do it and record it. I don't know how that works. I just don't know how it works. Maybe if you guys know how Zoom works and if I can record it, or do I have to do it live, or does it have to be on Facebook, or or can it be live on YouTube? Don't know. I'm a novice to the computer world. I can turn one on, turn it off, and kind of maneuver my way through things, but I'm not the greatest. Anyway, guys, I'm done talking. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Give me some advice. Give me some comments. Give me some direction, maybe. And I will try my best to do some of those things. So, guys, have a great day. Take care. Catch you next time. Bye.